Hey guys, so I just want to make this quick video for you. If you have issue with the Etekcity scale not working, what you can do, there are like multiple things. So the first thing that I encourage you to do is that you want to replace the batteries. So replace the batteries, try to just take them out and put them back in. So this is the first thing that you can try. Just put them both out and maybe like do it for 5 to 10 seconds, even longer, like 2 to 3 minutes, because when I just looked here, like how to possibly fix the issue. So look here, change, remove the battery for 10 seconds, then place them back in, place the scale on a hard flat surface, turn on the scale, the display should read 0, 0, meaning the scale has been cleared. And this is something that you can actually like fix the issue and how we can do it. So hope this video helped you on how we can possibly fix it, and have a great day and goodbye.